Welcome everyone to our new web development course. Today, we are embarking on an exciting adventure as we delve into downloading the necessary software, including Visual Studio Code, and getting started on our amazing web projects. Be sure to watch the full video on our YouTube channel for detailed step-by-step instructions on how to download and use Visual Studio Code effectively. Let's get started on this thrilling journey towards mastering web development and becoming proficient with Visual Studio Code. First, to download Visual Studio Code on Windows, go to the official Visual Studio Code website. Click on the Download for Windows button. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, you can use the direct link provided. Once the download is complete, open the installer file .exe and follow the on-screen instructions. First, accept the agreement. Then click Next. Here don't change any settings. By default, Visual Studio will be installed in the C Microsoft Visual Studio Code directory. Then, click Next again. Click Next, here check any options you need, then click Next again. And finally click Install. After the installation is complete, click Finish to launch Visual Studio Code. That's it. You're all set to start coding with Visual Studio Code on your Windows OS. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.